sight to see. The wind is screaming, it silences me, but in the quiet I hear a sound.